Uy, finally, dumating ng mga upgrade kits natin. I have here is the Kingston NV3 PCIe 4.0 na SSD na NVMe M.2. This is a 2TB na storage together with a XS na 1000R ni Kingston external storage na 2TB din. Alamin na natin dito sa video na ito kung if these two kits are worth the upgrade sa aking setup. Don't go away after this quick intro. Now guys, itong Kingston na NV3 na PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2, meron siyang tatlong variant. 1TB, 2TB, and 4TB. Ang ganang 1TB around nasa 4,000 pesos. Ang ganang 2TB nasa around mga 8,000 pesos. And ang ganang 4TB around nasa 16,000 pesos. And itong Kingston XS1000R na sobrang portable na SSD na external drive, ang ganang presyo is around nasa 7,000 pesos. Lahat na yan, i-link natin on the description box below. Now, one of the good things dito is kaya na andali lang install ito. Ito NV3 ni Kingston, all you need to do is just unmount yung older na M.2, tanggalin mo lang siya, unscrew mo lang, then i-plug in mo lang to, parang ka nagpa-plug lang ng RAM, no? Ganun kabilis lang. Susut-sut mo lang, screw back mo lang siya, and ibabalik mo lang heatsink. Ganun kadali lang. Just make sure na i-clip mo lang siya properly. Itong XS1000R, sobra rin yung portable. Honestly, bit-bit ko siya habang nagtitrip ako to Hong Kong. And this saved my life. Alam naman natin, 256GB na storage ng isang smartphone, bitin yan. Lalo na if you're going on a 5 to 6 day trip, marami kang photos and videos na i-capture, talaga mabibitin ng 256. Lalo if you're shooting at 4K and 60, talagang mabibiti. What more, shoot ka pa ng 8K. Now, sa day 2 pa lang, nagtatransfer na ng files dito sa aking 2TB na XS1000R ni Kingston. And ang bilis naman mag-transfer, no? Be it from Android or from iPhone, kayang-kaya naman niya i-support. Wala kang maging problema dito sa iyong storage. Now, in this video, tatransfer natin lahat ng files na nilangin natin dito from our smartphone back to our PC. Check lang natin yung speed niya. And this one has a read speed na 1050 Mbps and ang kanyang write speed is 1000 Mbps. Samantalang itong Kingston NV3 na M.2, meron siyang read speed na 6,000 Mbps and ang write speed is 5,000 Mbps. And we'll pair it together with a AMD Ryzen 7 na 9700X. So tara, simulan natin. So right now guys, mag-move lang tayo ng files from yung ating from ating external drive to our internal drive. So ito yung nakopy ko from my smartphone during the trip. So paste ko lang dito sa desktop, which is nasa drive C, which is ang ating NV3. No? So right click, paste lang natin. Let's see how fast. Wow, that's really ano to, nasa 34 gigs yung file, no? So 30 seconds lang, no? Dati isipin mo, kung nagte-transfer ka ng ganung file kalalaki, abutin ka talaga ng siyam-siyam. Ngayon, no pain, ang bilis, ayan, look, 30 seconds lang, just transfer a 34 gig na file. Ganon kabilis mag-transfer, no? Dito. So, yeah, you'll be amazed with yung speed, So, halos umabot siya ng near 1,000 Mbps, no? Kasi yun ang yun ang speed coming from yung ating external drive. So, right now, try lang natin ilagay lang siya pabalik, no? Copy lang natin. So, ni-rename na natin, ibalik lang natin dito sa drive. Let's see how fast naman. No? Equally fast, So, matatapos tayo in 45 seconds. Nung tinransfer natin papunta sa NV3, 30 seconds. So, pinababalik natin siya sa drive natin, sa external drive. Inabot tayo na roughly mga nasa 720 Mbps o 750. Matatapos tayo roughly in 45 seconds. Which is pretty solid din. Ngayon, umabot tayo halos nag-peak siya sa 750. So guys, nakita mo na yung ganda nito dalawang product na to. And I would say na honestly, I'm happy with the upgrade. It gave me a better experience pagdating sa transferring files. Alam naman natin dati, no guys, when you're transferring files, may oras pa ako pumunta ako sa refrigerator, kumuha ng soft drinks, kumuha ng chichirya, and babalik ako dito, hindi pa rin tapos mag-copy. Ngayon, halos hindi pa ako maalis sa upuan ko, halos near tapos na ako mag-transfer ng file. So, hindi ako nakakaalis, hindi ako nakakain ng chichirya. And this one has really saved my life kasi halos punong-puno na aking smartphone. Second day pala ng trip ko, I was able to transfer my files here and it gave me the chance to shoot more videos and photos sa aking smartphone without needing to buy a bigger storage na smartphone. So if you're out there looking for a good storage na external and internal, di hamak na okay itong dalawang choice na to. NV3 ni Kingston and XS1000R ni Kingston. If you want to know kung saan pwede mabili ito, I'll post it on the link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a quick sub to this channel is definitely awesome. See you in the next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.